Hello, Frank the Fresh here, host of the #1 TV show in the Sunshine State of Florida. We are currently investigating a story that is snowballing larger and larger every day. Are we running out of fresh water?
Hi, this is Ginny Watergun with Tammy Tubeside, and we're here to educate you on our growing problem.
The growing population has affected the demand for fresh water. More than 1 billion individuals lack access to safe drinking water. 2 billion people are at risk for losing the water they use for drinking, cooking, and cleaning. Out of all the 70% of water that's on the Earth's surface, only 2.5% is fresh water.
Climate change is changing because of this. It is the result in loss of 400 to 2,600 petacalories of food supply. It's diminishing growing habits and causes less snow and fresh water in rivers and flowing in from mountains.
It's starting to rain less and less in some states, and that definitely is hurting the freshwater loss. Also, animals need 40 or more gallons of water each day, and producing 1 pound of meat needs about 50 times more water than a pound of veggies, fruit, or grain. Losing water can not only affect what we drink, but what we eat too.
Now here's Sammy Snorkel from California to pose that there is a great amount of fresh water.
Hey guys, I just took a 2-hour shower after I took a swim in my very own lake.
Now Sammy, what are your feelings on this drought?
I think the earth has plenty of water, considering I just took a 2-hour shower and took a swim in my very own lake. I don't get why it's a big deal because everyone has plenty of water here in Cali. I mean, at least for me.
California is suffering a 4-year drought. Places that are already scarce with water are being hit with drought more. At the same time, people are using fresh water faster than it's being replaced.
Well, I think this is all nonsense.
Now that we've heard a little from Sammy Snorkel, we'll be back after this short break.
Voss, 40 thirsty and can't get enough. Sold in packs of 40, you can get Voss anywhere near you. Buy these non-renewable plastic water bottles today.
And we are back to hear more about the freshwater loss. Now here's our news team to tell us more.
You shouldn't be taking hour-long showers, and you need to watch your water use around the house. If anything, you should be reducing your showers by a minute or 2 a day. This will prevent freshwater loss.
I still don't see the problem.
Buying bottled water wastes more fresh water. You should really start drinking straight out of the faucet and saving the bottled water.
That's untrue. I own my own lake and I took a trip to Antarctica and there's plenty of fresh water in the glaciers. I've seen it with my own eyes.
Climate change is one of the major factors. As global warming continues, the fresh water will run into the salt water and it'll be wasted forever.
Weather patterns are continuing to change, making rain less common. Plus, the places that are scarce enough on water already are being hit with drought the most.
Sammy, do you have a garden?
Yes, it's the biggest garden in Cali. I water it 3 times a day. And I also have horses in my backyard and they drink a lot of water.
That is way too much. A way you can help the problem is finding alternative ways to water.
Yes, you can try watering at night or using rainwater collected in a barrel that is filtered so that you can water your garden. Also, you have water for your horses to drink that is clean and healthy.
That's not a bad idea. I mean, this will help my water bill go down and other people can have the water that I would use. Thanks guys for the tips on saving water. I'm never going back to my old ways of using water.
It's time to wrap up the show tonight, so remember to use your fresh water wisely. This is Frank the Fresh, over and out.